Is economic reservation a good replacement for caste reservation? This again is a good question. If you have a system where discrimination is on the basis of caste, then that problem will not be solved if you give reservation on the basis of economic status. Right? So do understand that under the present Indian system, whether it be government or the private, because the present Indian private system is not an open competitive system, it's not the kind of system that I am talking about. In both the present Indian government and private system, discrimination, culturally speaking, is on the basis of which caste you come from. It is not that rich Dalits, they may be treated somewhat differently from poor Dalits, but it is not that rich Dalits are treated equally as if they were members of the upper caste, and therefore reservations based on economic criteria doesn't resolve the problem for us.
Subscribe now.